There is unexpected and breaking support for Tesla Giga Berlin today, friends. Jorg Steinbach says regarding Tesla Giga Berlin, a company should not be penalized if it makes improvements in the ongoing process and at the same time heals deficiencies in the original application. This is breaking news coming from Germany that Jorg Steinbach considers a quick start of Tesla Giga Berlin production to be feasible. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Brandenburg's economics minister Jorg Steinbach expects that the US electric car manufacturer Tesla will soon start production at Giga Berlin in Grünheide despite many conditions. Last week I reported that after the environmental approval of Giga Berlin came, the government put forward something like 400 conditions for Tesla Giga Berlin to start the operating license, to get the operating license, and Tesla said it should be able to do them within 2 weeks. Now Steinbach says, I firmly assume that Tesla will meet the requirements during this time and that the opening of Giga Berlin can take place as planned, said Steinbach of the Märkische Allgemeine from Potsdam. We are on schedule and in constant contact at all levels, he said. The State Environment Agency had approved the construction of the factory Giga Berlin on March 4th with numerous requirements and conditions that I just said. According to the Ministry of Environment, Tesla has only planned 2 weeks for this. Like I said, Tesla said it will be able to meet this requirement, like about 400 of them, within 2 weeks. The planned opening ceremony could therefore take place next week. Look forward to it, and as I've said, there's going to be a delivery event from Giga Berlin near Berlin, I think March 22nd, if I'm not mistaken. So the economy minister calls for faster approval procedures when an investor makes significant changes in the planning process. Some companies like Giga Berlin. Tesla had added the battery factory to the application, which Tesla said it will be the largest battery factory for electric cars once it reaches the full capacity. So a public display of the construction plans and another hearing of critics were necessary for this to place. But Steinbach says a company, he refers to Tesla Giga Berlin, should not be penalized if it makes improvements in the ongoing process and at the same time heals deficiencies in the original application. I think this is an important quote coming from such a high-ranking official in support of Giga Berlin. Steinbach says it can't be, and that has to be taken key lesson from the project. In his estimation, without this virus and without a second public discussion, the approval would have been available or taken place after just 1.5 years instead of just over 2 years. So we can say that Tesla possibly or probably lost extra half years. I don't know. Steinbach also believes that a speedy approval period is possible for the new Deutsche Bahn maintenance workshop in Cottbus. If the first part of the railway project in Cottbus is completed by 2024 and the project is implemented much faster overall than originally calculated, it will be a blueprint for all future public infrastructure projects such as railways and motorways, the minister told the newspaper. According to Steinbach, the railway plant, which is set to have 1,200 jobs, is planned to be built with early approvals at one's own risk, as it was the case with Tesla Giga Berlin factory, which actually sped up the factory's construction pretty much. So what do you think, friends? Do you think a company like Tesla Giga Berlin should be penalized if it wants to make improvements or no? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news discussions. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and let's move on to our next Tesla story. As Giga Berlin is about to start production, Tesla introduces new car pickup service in Germany, allowing delivery outside of business hours. Welcome back, friends. Things are heating up in Germany with Tesla and Giga Berlin. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. Tesla has introduced a new car delivery service called Tesla Drop in Germany. Now, this coincides with the start of production at Giga Berlin after it was given the final permit. The new service allows customers to pick up their Tesla vehicles outside the working hours of the delivery center. Probably Tesla is thinking that with the start of deliveries, I think the deliveries will start on March 22nd, as I reported a couple of days ago, there will be growing demand for Tesla orders to accept their vehicles. That's why Tesla wants to have deliveries outside of the work hours. Tesla has introduced a new delivery option called Tesla Drop, which is now active in Germany. Tesla Adri, Twitter reported that customers can now pick up their vehicles even outside the delivery center working hours, which gives a lot of flexibility and is extremely convenient for Tesla new vehicle owners. In order to take advantage of this opportunity, the customer must arrive at the delivery center where their cars will be parked and unlock them through the Tesla app. Upon inspection, owners must document receipt of the delivery in their Tesla account and then drive away in their brand new vehicles. So this is what Tesla Adri wrote on Twitter. He said, Tesla introduced a new delivery option in Germany called Tesla Drop. You can now pick up your car outside opening hours. Simply go to the delivery center, unlock your car via the Tesla app, document the pickup in your Tesla account, and drive off. Now, at the moment, it is known that the new service was presented in Germany, and there have been no reports of it appearing in other countries yet. But like I said, I think this is first introduced in Germany because in 2 weeks or so, there will be an influx of a lot of Tesla vehicles in Germany. Tesla Drop gives customers more flexibility around when they can pick up their new cars, which means they don't have to change their daily routine and worry about picking up their car at a set time. This is an advanced contactless delivery method delivered by Tesla that emerged and gained particular popularity during this current virus. So friends, what do you think? Are you excited about this new opportunity? Tesla is in innovation. Upon more innovation, this service should be really helpful and efficient to German Tesla buyers. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage once I upload it. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and peace be in the world. And let's move on to our next Tesla story.